The DJI Flip stands out as an ideal entry-level drone, redefining what beginners can expect from an affordable lightweight aircraft. Designed specifically for new and recreational pilots, it combines user-friendly controls with impressive features in a compact body weighing under 249 grams, allowing it to avoid registration requirements in many regions. One of its most distinctive elements is the integrated propeller guards and unique circular folding frame, which enhance safety and visual appeal while enabling convenient palm launches and landings. Despite its light build, the Flip offers level 5 wind resistance for stable flights in breezy conditions, while forward and downward obstacle sensors add an extra layer of protection by stopping the drone near obstructions. Its camera performance is particularly strong for this category, featuring a 4K 60 frames per second camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal that delivers smooth cinematic footage. The bright f1.7 aperture supports vibrant low-light video, and creators can record in 10-bit color or D-Log-M for greater editing flexibility. A 2x digital zoom maintains lossless quality, and vertical shooters can capture 2.7K video suited for platforms like YouTube Shorts. Control options are flexible, including onboard buttons, smartphone app operation, and dedicated remotes such as the RCN3 or the upgraded RC2 with a built-in screen. For longer sessions, the Fly More combo adds extra batteries and accessories. While the absence of remote ID may limit commercial use, the DJI Flip delivers exceptional value, blending safety, portability, creative capability, and stylish design into a highly accessible drone perfect for beginners starting their aerial journey.